That's me.
Guys, I just washed my hair and I needed to air dry. So what am I going to do? I'm going to rock a turban. Sometimes I even wear it when I need to deep condition, but I always make sure I make my hair as flat as possible. And if you want your hair even flatter, you can tie your ponytail tighter, or either you can make sure you do flat braids or bobby pin it down to your scalp. But me, for the sake of this video and taking this down, I'm just gonna put it on top of my head. And you do want most of your hair on the top of your head. And I always make sure I put on my satin bonnet because I need my edges and my hair to be protected, especially using this scarf. So I always love to use a circle scarf. I will be having a video showing you guys all my scarves, so it's going to be like a little scarf try on haul, which should be super fun. But since it's in a circle, you can just open it up and put it on the back of your head, and it's literally so easy. And then you just twist it like a ponytail. So just hold your head down and twist it like you're about to put your hair in a ponytail, and wrap it like you're literally about to put your hair in a bun. It's really simple. So here you can just watch me twisting it, wrapping it, twisting it further down, and making sure I wrap it. And I usually tuck mine under to make it have height. And at the end, I kind of tuck it underneath. If you want it super secured, you can definitely put on some type of scrunchie. But I'm all done, you guys. This was so simple. Make sure you hit the bell alerts so you can know when I'm uploading a video. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at SureFitJohnson, you guys. Peace.